Visit PMG Auto and Tire Center for quality service in West Hempstead. As a car owner, you know it's vital to take good care of your vehicle. You rely on your car to get to work, to go shopping, or to take the kids to school. Regular maintenance is essential, because breakdowns are a real headache. Finding a reputable auto repair center can be time-consuming and stressful. How will you know if they're being honest? Will they invent phantom repairs, just to double the bill? Will they get the repairs done on time? Are they trustworthy and reliable? Don't put yourself and your car at the mercy of a bad mechanic. Get quality service from PMG Auto and Tire Center, a name you can trust. But don't take our word for it. Hear what customers are saying. I went here to get my front rotors changed because nobody else seemed to be able to do it. My brother recommended me to this shop, and I must definitely admit I was satisfied. Great service. Helpful employees. Able to find us a tire on a weekend evening, when our tire blew out. Very affordable prices, very fair. I trust them to keep my BMW running as the miles are starting to pile up. Thank you, Sean. Don't wait, contact us today. We'll keep your vehicle running strong.